Now, I want to ask about a topic that's on all of our minds lately: digital transformation. Eduardo, would you mind telling us a little more about how Bentley is helping users accelerate digital transformation?
Absolutely. Thank you for asking the question, Amanda. It's quite an interesting one. And as we have seen across the presentations, both yesterday and today, many of our users, either owner operators or, of course, consultancy firms and engineers supporting those owner operators, are now accelerating their digital transformation, as has been the case with many other parts of our industries and many other parts of our workflows. We are now starting to accelerate the digital transformation of design, as we also do with other parts of project delivery, like construction and then operation and maintenance of those pieces of infrastructure. Bringing into the context of the call today, where we are talking particularly around design and the design phases of project delivery. The whole point of a digital twin is that it represents an existing asset, but part of that story as well is that during all the way from the conceptual design of that asset, or even earlier than that, when we are collecting information from the field and then designing in context, is the baseline for a digital twin. So of course, us as MicroStation, as well as our OpenX applications with the civil products, will use or will provide a lot of that baseline information into the digital twin. We can synchronize all that information and data into iTwin Hub using our connectors. Those are available not only for Bentley applications, but many modeling and design applications in the market. And then that data can be synchronized throughout the design phase of the project. Again, that data can be used not only to collaborate between different colleagues or different parts of the project and even different companies. And Phil mentioned very well that the whole point of ProjectWise is giving access to the right data at the right time for the right individuals. And the whole idea is that the digital twin can, since that time already, provide value to the owner operators. But then as we advance and build that piece of infrastructure, that information can be very valuable in terms of visualization of the project, in terms of timeline of changes. And of course, as we move on into operation, we can then simulate different scenarios and improve the efficiency of that infrastructure. So in general terms, we believe that going digital with Bentley actually means having access to a very comprehensive set of tools. It is an open modeling environment. So as we are here working between these three applications, Open Roads, MicroStation, and ProjectWise, we are also working with applications outside of the Bentley portfolio. We do provide timely access. Of course, many of our digital twins applications are actually cloud-based services, and the users can scale that application according with the complexity of the project or the size of the company that is delivering that project. And as I mentioned before, these digital twins are not only used during the delivery of the project, but also perpetuates into the operation of that asset, providing long-standing value to the final users. And ultimately, most of these infrastructure projects, if not all, of course, are targeted at specific outcomes. And we believe that giving access or giving visibility to the right data to the different stakeholders in that project will just enable them to improve the quality of that asset as it operates and is delivered for the final customers and final users of that infrastructure in the future. So in general terms, what we are trying to do with many of our applications today is connect seamlessly into the digital twin, enable that transfer of data into the digital twin, and enable the querying and visualization and access of the data by the right users at the right time.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.